Hi guys, so in this video, we're going to teach you how to create a TikTok agency ad account. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight in. So you visit business.tiktok.com. So it's going to take us to Business Center, then we log in. So definitely you should have an account. So you click on the login button. So take note, for you to be able to create an agency ad account, it means your Business Center account should be an agency Business Center account. So next you click on login, or if you're already logged in, once you visit your Business Center, you click on go to Business Center if you're already logged in. So it's same thing. After you're done logging in, it's still going to take you to this point. You select the particular Business Center you want to work on. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so next we go to accounts. This is where we'll be able to create an agency ad account. Don't forget, this Business Center is an agency business center. So to create a new advert, and it's quite easy, particularly when you've done your Business Center has been verified and it's been approved. So it's much easier for you to get all of this done. Okay. So if you want to learn the whole process on how to create a Business Center, how to verify your Business Center, kindly visit the description section of this video. I'm going to attach the link to that video that specifically talks about getting started on Business Center. All right. So now we click on add advertiser account. So more like an ad account. So click on create new. You could also go for request assets, but that's not the focus of this video. We're focusing on create new. So you click on create new, then you click on next. Okay, so client company information. We're going to make it much easier. So link existing verification. Since we have an existing verification, we're going to click on this. Okay. But if you want to verify with a new document, you fill up all of this: your country or region, your company name, your company website, your business license number, your business document, additional document, then create a client advertiser. So this is where you fill in specifically for the ad account. You write the name of the ad account and so on and so forth. Then you confirm and continue. But for this particular part where they said client company information, so we link existing verification. So for this, we link an existing verification. So, okay. So we're going to select, click on the drop down. So you can see it's already verified with 2 ad accounts, which are also verified. Okay. So next you come to the client specifically for the ad account. So you select the industry. Okay, so let's just select this local and professional services. Professional services. Let's see, advertising. So this is where we fall under an agency. You can give it any name: agency, media, GW. Time zone, we're going to select Lagos. So you use the search Lagos. You search for your capital city or the capital of your nation, or the biggest, one of those biggest cities or biggest states. Search for them. So we're going to use Lagos time. Contact name is optional. Phone number is optional, so I'm going to skip that part. All right, so that's all. Okay, you could also add tax ID if you want. Province, Rivers. So you basically fill up all of this. Then you hit the confirm button once you're done. So this is how to create an agency ad account. Don't forget, once the Business Center is an agency business center, it's easy for you to create an agency ad account because it's under an agency business center. You could select any of these, but we go for some unlimited and confirm. You can see it's been approved automatically, agency media, because we already have a verified Business Center and other accounts here are verified as well. Okay, so from there, you could click on Ads Manager and you start running your ads, or you click here, and then you hit Ads Manager. You click on Ads Manager, and it's going to take you to TikTok Ads Manager where you're going to run your ads. We're also going to attach a link in the description section that will teach you how to run professional TikTok ads using Ads Manager. All right. So you could also come back here. I'm also going to add this. So when you visit the finance, for those of you who newly created your ad account, when you visit the finance, then you go to payment management, where you're still going to see your ad accounts. You can do your funding there after you must have added some ad accounts. Okay, so you can see it has automatically been added here. So you can link a payment method if you want. So just click on link a payment method, or you add balance if you want to use manual payment. So it's quite easy and straightforward. Okay. So that's all. All right, guys. So make sure. All right, guys. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. See you guys in the next video, and bye for now. Cheers.